Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Oreate AI on your PC. Perfect for students, writers, researchers, and professionals. Let's get started. First, on your browser, search for the official website of Oreate. Search for oreate.com. Then here click the link and you can now start to sign up or log in. Register using your email or Google account. Then here you can choose a tool or feature like essay writer, paraphraser, humanizer, presentation maker, citation, or research tool. These features are all in one. You can choose whatever features that you like and click the feature that you want to use and open its interface. And after that, you can now generate content. Type prompt that you want like this. Then you can choose options like count the word, language, or citation style. Then, like this for presentation, you can switch to presentation maker tool, enter your topic, then choose your number of slides or template and click generate. And the Orate will create your slides. And then the AI will create the presentation. You can edit and polish it, refine the grammar, structure, and flow. You can use the humanize to make AI text sound more natural and readable. You can also paraphrase individual sections or regenerate parts if needed. If you're writing academic or research content, check the citation results that Orate provides. It can automatically format into APA, MLA, or Chicago styles, and always verify sources manually to ensure accuracy. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can now download or export and save. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.